A new day begins where crude oil first meets the surface.
Every cycle draws ancient fuel from deep within the earth.
From many wells, the flow converges into a single controlled stream.
Before refining, crude rests in vast reservoirs of silent steel.
These lines are the arteries feeding the refinery's core.
Every drop is monitored the moment it crosses this threshold.
And so the raw fuel enters the living machine that will transform it.
Movement begins long before the oil is ever seen. Energy is added to push the flow farther, faster, safely. Distance is conquered through steel and constant control. Here, direction decides destiny. Before refining, crude must be delivered intact and untouched. Even within the refinery, movement depends on wheels and timing.
Transport ends where transformation is about to begin.
Here, scale announces the work ahead.
Beneath the giants, the process quietly begins.
Every step inside demands discipline and precision. Crossing this line changes raw material into responsibility. Everything inside moves with purpose and restraint. Control transforms chaos into consistency. Before refinement, purity must be prepared. The first task is to remove what does not belong. Weight and time reveal the crude's hidden passengers. Chemistry assists where gravity alone cannot. What remains is shaped by layers of steel and mesh.
Even before refinement, separation has already begun.
Prepared and measured, the feed is ready for transformation. Heat awakens the crude's hidden structure.
Energy reshapes what time once buried. Separation begins inside this steel spine.
Each level claims its own fraction of the whole.
Precision decides where every molecule belongs. Nothing is wasted, only redirected. The crude is no longer raw, but the work is far from finished.
Now the molecules themselves are forced to change.
Pressure and heat rewrite the crude's identity.
Chemistry accelerates what nature would take centuries to do. Sudden cooling locks the transformation in place. From one feedstock, many usable forms emerge.
Even the lightest elements are captured and reused.
With structure restored, the process advances toward precision. Here, machines begin to think in measured response.
Information moves as fast as the product itself.
Human judgment sets the rules. Automation keeps them. Visibility replaces guesswork at every stage. Precision is verified without slowing progress.
Balance ensures consistency across every output.
With control achieved, refinement becomes exact. Refinement now shifts from power to precision. Even the smallest imperfections are addressed.
Consistency is engineered, not assumed.
Performance is refined at the molecular level.
The last adjustments bring stability and clarity.
Stability ensures the product holds its quality. Only verification remains before release. No product moves forward without proof. Testing begins without interrupting the flow. Numbers confirm what the process promises.
Precision here protects everything beyond these walls. Accountability is recorded in every batch. Clearance allows movement to resume. Proven, measured, and ready for delivery.
Here, finished product waits for the world beyond the gate. Storage becomes preparation for movement. Delivery begins with careful positioning. Every transfer carries the weight of precision. Finished fuel leaves controlled ground behind. Countless systems move together as one.
And this is how modern factories produce oil from start to finish.